Will the real tax deadline please stand up? Hey, it's your friendly neighborhood tax man with your tax tips. For what seemed like forever, there were a few things that seemed to never change. One being when personal and business tax returns were due. Generally, your business returns for entities such as multi-member LLCs, partnerships, and S-corps were due on March 15th, and your personal and C corporation returns were due on April 15th. However, as we know, a lot of things have changed over the last 3 years, including tax filing deadlines. This year is no exception. There are some changes to the filing deadlines. All tax filers except for Californians and parts of Alabama and Georgia, the deadline for business returns for LLCs, partnerships, and S-corps remains March 15th, and all personal and C corporation returns not in those covered areas are still due on April 18th. In disaster areas in California and parts of Alabama and Georgia, both business and personal tax filers now have until October 16, 2023 to file various federal, individual, and business tax returns and make tax payments. The Internal Revenue announced this on February 24th. Previously, the deadline had been postponed to May 15th for these areas. California's Franchise Tax Board announced it will follow suit and extended their deadline to October 16th as well. The Alabama Department of Revenue will also grant filing and payment extensions to taxpayers residing in areas designated as disaster areas by the federal government until October 16th, 2023. These deadline extensions also affected the deadlines for estimated tax payments and 2022 contributions to IRAs and health savings accounts. So the deadline changes not only affected when you're due, but they could affect the return you're filing. With all the changes, it can be confusing as to when exactly your business and personal returns are due. This is why we always recommend contacting a tax professional. We will gladly provide you with insight and even assist you with the filing of your return. The IRS and state taxing agencies also offer free assistance as well. Remember, it never hurts to ask, because like my Aunt Myrtle used to always tell me, there's always help, you just have to ask. Bottom line, the most important thing is filing the tax return prior to the deadline. And this year, you may have a few extra days or months to do it. This is your friendly neighborhood tax man reminding you the best way to prepare for tomorrow is acquiring as much information as you can today.